Hi, I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability. And if you're a plumber, here's something important. One leak, one broken line, or one small mistake can lead thousands of dollars in damages. Plumbers Insurance protects you from those costly surprises so you can focus on your work with confidence. Plumbing work poses real risks, including water damage, faulty installation, burst pipes, and even property loss. Even experienced plumbers face accidents, and insurance keeps those problems from becoming financial disasters. Here's what coverage you really need. General liability. This is essential. If a repair causes water damage, if a pipe bursts during or after installation, or if a client slips near your tools, liability coverage includes repair, medical costs, and legal fees. Tools and equipment coverage. Your gear is expensive. If your pipe wrenches, drain machines, or detectors are stolen or damaged, this helps you replace them fast. Workers' compensation. If you have employees, this coverage protects against injuries sustained on the job, including slipping in wet areas and strains while lifting equipment. It's required in most states. Commercial auto. You're constantly driving between jobs with tools and materials. Personal auto doesn't cover business use. Commercial auto protects you on the road. Errors and omissions, or E&O. It's critical for plumbers. If a customer claims your work caused damage, you failed to fix the issue, or led to additional repairs, E&O coverage provides financial losses and defense costs. Now, rates depends on your service, experience, claims history, number of employees, and the type of plumbing work you handle, residential, commercial, or emergency jobs. At the end of the day, plumbing insurance gives you financial protection, professional credibility, and peace of mind. Visit contractorsliability.com or call the number on your screen for your free customized quote today. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more contractors insurance tips, and tap the bell so you never miss out on a new guide. Thanks for watching.